Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It's class 12 subject economics. Today's our topic is the importance of public budget. Dear students, in the previous lecture, I give you the brief introduction that what do we mean by public budget and what is the purpose of the budget. Yes, dear students, as you came to know that what is the main purpose of budget and what is its main aim. So dear students, what is budget? Budget in simple words we can define that it is a statement of expected revenues and proposed expenditure for a given period of time. So dear students, how the income for any country or for any state can be raised and in what way it should be spent for the development of the state or nation. This is a main question and this is a main purpose of public budget. So we can say that in simple words we can say that it is a budget is simply a plan. It is simply a plan, or we can say that it is a device, or we can say that it is a social gadget. It's a type of social gadget through which an individual or any country leads to successful and prosperous way of living. Dear students, as I have told you that it is with the help of budget that the legislature or the government of any country or any state is able to exercise an effective control over the administration and formulate policies for the welfare of the nation. So, in the absence of budget, every ministry and every department will collect and spend money in an arbitrary way, and public money will not be properly utilized. The result will be the reduction of the country's financial situation, which leads to disorder. So dear students, to achieve any purpose, a planning is necessary. The government needs to achieve many goals, all of which cannot be attained all at once. Therefore, a proper plan of action is necessary. A budget is thus a plan which mentions the government programs that are to be taken up in the course of financial year. However, dear students, as I have told you that a budget is not merely a statement of income and expenditure. यस डियर स्टूडेंट्स, बजट सिर्फ इतना नहीं होता है कि इसमें इनकम और एक्सपेंडिचर दिया गया हुआ था ना, इतना ही बजट नहीं, बट इट इज एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट whereby many desired changes in the economic conditions of the country can be brought about. Yes, dear students, the budget policy of the government can be so oriented and so as to boost up the production. Similarly, the instrumentality of the budget can be utilized to reduce the economic inequalities by providing assistance to agriculture and different industries and by reducing the rate of taxes. Therefore, a new vigor and speed can be given to the production by making provisions for the progressive taxes. Money can be obtained from the rich section of the society and spent on the poorer ones. Thus, the pattern of distribution of the wealth can be altered in favor of the later. So, the budget has to come to acquire immense importance in country's economy. Formerly, in the beginning, the prime objective of the budget was the maintenance of discipline in expenditure. However, nowadays it has become a multi-edged weapon in the hands of government and acquire both destructive and constructive capacities or capabilities. So, because of this importance of the budget, Taylor has called it the master financial plan of the government. That Taylor has called the budget as the master financial plan of the government. Dear students, apart from this importance, what is the other purpose of budget? The other purpose of budget is another purpose, main purpose of budget is necessity of time. Dear students, different programs may need different duration for completion. For example, अगर budget 2021 to 2022 में ये दिया गया है कि फलानी जगह हमने इस पुल की तामीर करनी है. Yes, dear students, what is considered first? The time is firstly considered. That how much time would it require for the completion? What part of the action can be completed within the present physical year? This needs to be specified so that the implementing agencies clearly can know as to which portion of the program should be completed within the specific year. The budget spells out such year-wise responsibility. Yes, dear students, if we see that in developed countries, the main purpose of the budget in developing countries is to act as an anti-cyclic fiscal weapon. This is done through manipulation of the budget balance. When the economy suffers from unemployment and depression, deficit budget is framed. Deficit budget क्या हो गया? Deficit budget हमारे पास तब आएगा जब हमारे पास खर्चा ज़्यादा होगा और इनकम कम होगी. Yes, dear students. So, dear students, this was some importance of the budget. So dear students, this was all about the our today's about today's topic, that is importance of public budget. So dear students, this was all about today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz Nasir.